Now you can enjoy your own Nespresso capsules or compatible capsules with your very own Handpresso Auto set. Simply turn it on, insert the water, insert a capsule, heat it up, and enjoy. Let's look. Turn on the machine. Notice the water droplet, meaning to insert the water. Notice the light on the top indicating the water is ready. Insert the water. Green means go. Insert your capsule of choice. Lock it up and push the heat. After it's heated up, you simply turn it over above your cup, push to release, Handpresso Auto Capsule machine, the latest innovation from the leaders of portable espresso products available online and in-store at Espresso Planet. Cheers!